what we read, that aunt came and when she reached at the home, she took a deep breath, then and realized that Tom is okay right now, and asked Tom to that, what is the matter with you, Tom? Tell me what's the matter with you, what happened with you? Okay, उसे कहा कि आपके साथ क्या हुआ है, आप मुझे बताइए. Then आंट आती है अंदर और उसका सो टोस देखे, और जैसे ही वो आंट उसको देखती है तो टॉम रियलाइज मतलब एम्बैरस फील करता है टॉम थोड़ा बहुत अपने आप से. ठीक है, द मीनिंग ऑफ मॉडिफाइड इज एम्बैरस्ड. ओके, फील एम्बैरस्ड. सो with this word meaning, I have something for you, class. Have a look. The word meaning modify means embarrassed. As you can see that in the word meaning, उसमें the boy was modified because he wear his t-shirt inside out. यानी उसने अपनी t-shirt क्या पहनी हुई थी, उल्टी पहनी हुई थी. That's why he modified means embarrassed. Okay. The old lady sank down into a chair and laughed a little. अब ओल्ड लेडी जैसे ही उसको पहचानने लगती है, she sank down, नीचे गिर जाती है. मीनिंग sank down it means to fall. Okay, and laughed a little, थोड़ा सा हंसती है, and then cried a little, और थोड़ा सा रोती भी है. The both together, and दोनों साथ साथ, यानी रोना भी आ रहा है और हंसना भी आ रहा है. This restored her and she said, Tom, what a turn you did give me. Now you shut up and nonsense and climb out of this. Climb out meaning to move out of this. Okay? कि आपने क्या nonsense लगा रखे हैं यहाँ पर, आप इस चीज से बाहर निकलिए और अब मुझे originality बताइए कि what happened with you. Okay? I'm getting you that you are making me fool. Who is saying this? Aunt. The groan ceased and the pain vanished from the toe. अब क्या होता है, जैसे ही आंट को पता चलने लगता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली टो से पेन चला जाता है. अब टो में पेन होगा तब आएगा ना, तो वो वेनिस्ड यानी गायब हो जाना, डिसअपियर हो जाना. ओके, द ग्रोन सीज्ड. सीज्ड का मतलब ये होता है बंद हो जाना, डिसमिस्ड. ओके, सीज्ड मीनिंग है डिसमिस्ड. The boy felt a little foolish. The boy realized that I am being fooled, and he said, Aunt Polly, it seemed mortified. Aunt Polly, it is embarrassed for me, and so I never minded my tooth at all. Then he decided to tell her that I have a problem in my tooth, not in my toe. यानी ओरिजिनल जो उसका पेन था उसने वो बता दिया आंट को. Your tooth, indeed, वाकई. Indeed meaning होते हैं वाकई. What's the matter with you, with your tooth? कि क्या हुआ आपके टूथ को? So and asked him, what's the matter with your tooth? One of them is loose and it is perfectly awful. यानी मुझे उसमें दर्द हो रहा है, एक मेरा जो टीथ है वो लूज हो चुका है. awful means very badly. ओके, बहुत गंदे तरीके से मुझे फील हो रहा है यहाँ पर पेन. यानी अब तो टॉम के पास कोई रीजन नहीं था कि वो अब क्या करे टॉम. सो उसने क्या किया, अब अपने टूथ के बारे में बता दिया था जो उसको ओरिजिनल में पेन हो रहा था, जो पेन जेन्युइन था उसका. ओके, then there now, don't begin the groaning again. Now please don't begin crying or shouting again. Who said this? Aunt Polly said this. Open your mouth, अपना mouth खोलिए. Where your tooth is loose. Yes, your tooth is loose, but you are not going to die. But तुम मरने वाले नहीं हो इससे. Okay. Saying that, Auntie was about to get a silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen when Tom cried out. जब टॉम रोने ही वाला था, जब रो ही रहा था, तो आंट पोली जल्दी से गए किचन में और क्या लेकर आए? सिल्क थ्रेड एंड चंक ऑफ फायर, यानी छोटा सा टुकड़ा और सिल्क थ्रेड लेकर आए थे. ठीक है, अब वो इसलिए लेकर आए थे कि वो क्या करेंगे, पुल करके उसका टीथ बाहर निकाल लेंगे, जिसका डर उसे ऑलरेडी था टॉम को. So, oh please auntie, don't pull it out. Tom said to her aunt that please don't pull it out. It doesn't hurt anymore. I wish I may never stir if it does. इससे मुझे बहुत हर्ट होने वाला है। पहले तो कभी हर्ट नहीं हुआ, लेकिन अगर आप निकालेंगे तो ज्यादा हर्ट होगा। स्टर मीन्स मूव। मेरे हिसाब से मैं कभी मूव भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा। प्लीज डोंट आंटी, डोंट डू दिस, ओके। आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे होम फ्रॉम स्कूल। अब टॉम के मुंह से निकल जाता है स्कूल के बारे में, दैट आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे होम, आई वांट टू गो स्कूल। And realize that he is pretending with me and he is making me fool. Oh, you don't you? So all the row was because you thought you would get to stay home from school and go fishing. Yani aunt asked him that raw meaning noise or argument. Here no raw meaning noise and argument. That your argument is only for that you would want to skip your school. Tom, I love you so, and you seem to try every way you can to break my old heart with your outrageousness. Okay, the meaning of outrageousness means the quality of being shockingly bad or improper. And was very मतलब ऐसा हो गया कि होपलेस हो गई थी, डिसअपॉइंटेड। शी वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद टॉम दैट he was telling lie to her aunt, his aunt. Okay, that's why she told her that I love you but you hurt me, तुमने मुझे हर्ट किया है। now that tooth will come out on its own. अब हम वेट करते हैं, tooth will come out its own. मैं नहीं निकाल रही हूँ, ये खुद ही बाहर आ जाएगा। Go to sleep now and we will decide what to do when you wake up. You go and sleep well, and when you wake up, I will decide what happened with you. I will send you school or not. Okay? मैं आगे डिसाइड करूंगी कि मैं आपको स्कूल भेजूंगी या नहीं। So यहाँ हमारी स्टोरी खत्म होती है। I summarize this story in a short way from there. Okay, again you can listen it. So what we read, Sid called his aunt. Okay, so Tom was sitting and continuously crying. Tom क्या था, बैठा था और continuously रोए जा रहा था। When Aunt Polly interrupted Tom, when she started checking, so what she got? उसे क्या मिलता है देखिए। She found that Tom was weeping at the same time. Tom got embarrassed. Why he was embarrassed? Because Aunt Polly got everything. Aunt Polly को उसके बारे में पता चल गया था कि ये pretend कर रहा है, ये हमें fool बना रहा है। Okay. Then Aunt Polly laughed a little and also cried. पहले तो वो हंसी और फिर वो रोई भी। She cried because she was afraid of what happened with him, and at the same time she laughed because she got that Tom was making fool to them. Tom उन दोनों को fool बना रहा है। किन दोनों को? Sid को and Aunt को। Okay. So she went close to Tom and asked, "Would you stop making fool us? क्या तुम मुझे हमें fool बनाना बंद करेंगे? What's the matter? Tell me." And jump out of her bed. और ये सुन करके और ये समझ करके वो क्या हुआ, हंसी के मारे वो अपने बेड से नीचे गिर गई। Then Tom realized that aunt had understood his all matter. Tom को realize हुआ कि aunt तो अब समझ चुकी है। Then started making another reason to skip the school. उसने क्या किया, दूसरा reason बनाना start कर दिया कि अब मैं क्या सोचूं। Then his actually reason जो genuine pain था, he started telling about it, and he told aunt about his toothache. And said, Aunt, I would not able to go to school due to toothache. कि मेरे दांतों में दर्द है इसलिए मैं स्कूल नहीं जा पाऊंगा. Okay. What Aunt Polly said, Aunt understood that he was manipulating us. So Aunt quickly went to the downstairs and bought a thread of silk thread and pulled out his tooth and try to pull out his teeth. यानी उसको कोशिश की कि उसका teeth निकाल दे. Okay. Then Tom realized if Aunt Polly took out his teeth, it would more hurt. Okay, इससे ज्यादा दर्द होगा। अभी तो इतना दर्द नहीं हो रहा है, जैसे ही वो टीथ को पुल आउट करेंगे मुझे ज्यादा दर्द होगा। Then he refused it. उसने उसको मना कर दिया Aunt Polly को कि please Aunt Polly don't pull out my teeth. And expected that he was only making them fool. Accepted that he was only making them fool. और उसने accept भी कर लिया कि वो क्या कर रहा है, उन्हें fool ही बना रहा है। Okay, class. So in this story, you can see how Tom manipulating his aunt and brother, but in the end he failed. कि end में क्या हो जाता है, वो fail हो जाता है. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we should not lie. When you lie, you put distance between yourself and the people around you, and nobody will gonna trust on you next time. Okay. So making this story more interesting, I have a short video for you all. Have a look.
Tom had a toothache. Meet Tom Sawyer. He is a mischievous young boy who lives with his aunt Polly and brother Sid. It is a Monday morning and Tom does not want to go to school. He just wants an excuse to convince Aunt Polly. He gets up, looks all over himself for some pain, but finds none. Suddenly, he felt something. Was that a stomachache? No, nothing. Pause. His front tooth was loose. No, Aunt Polly would pull it out. That would pain. Tom discovered a sore foot. What an excuse! He started to groan loudly, but Sid just slept. Louder. No movement. Finally, he got up and shook Sid awake. Then he returned to bed and starts groaning again. Sid runs to Tom. Tom, what is it? Why are you groaning so loudly? Ouch! Don't! It hurts! Sid said. Why did you not wake me up earlier? Let me go and get Aunt. Hey, Sid, I forgive you everything you have done for me. Off Sid goes to get Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly, Tom is dying, says Sid. What rubbish! Come, let me see. That was Aunt, and off they went to Tom. Aunt looked worried at Tom's expression. Tom, what is the matter with you? Tom groaned louder and said, My sore toes mortified. Aunt burst into laughter and cried with relief, both at the same time. My friends, mortified means to shrivel due to embarrassment. Tom must have heard the word from an ill person and assumed it to be the name of some illness. Aunt Polly, it is mortified. I can't feel my hurting tooth in front of that pain. Toothache, show it to me. Yes, this is going to come off. Aunt sends the maid to get a string and coal to pull out the tooth. Tom begs her not to. He confesses that he did not want to go to school, so he had made up the sickness. Aunt Polly promises not to pull out the tooth and asks him to sleep. School or no school would be decided when he wakes up. Tom had no option but to sleep.
So class, how's it? I hope you all got the chapter and the story. Next time, in the next video, we'll do our question answers. Till then, do practice of all the word meanings what I have given you. Okay class?